Audio Jungle.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back on my channel, Crypto Victoria. So, guys, I hope you are doing very well. Here is another amazing and exciting review for my crypto viewers, for my dear audience. So, guys, let's go. And here I will tell you a brief review about this BitSafer platform, guys. So, you have to stay tuned with me till last of the video. Before starting their further in review, I would request if you are new on my channel, Crypto Victoria, please like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell icon for my further upcoming videos notification. As you know that Victoria always come with an amazing and new platform in the world of cryptocurrency. So guys, here I will tell you about this amazing app and how you can join and how you can download and how you can enjoy this amazing their features. So guys, let's go. And I have to say that more that I am not your financial advisor. Do your own research before any investment. I am not responsible for your any profit or loss. You have to take your own risk because crypto is totally risky. So let's go, guys. And here you can see that this is the bit safer. Here I will tell you about our apps that is using globally, how you have to use this for your business, and this is globally used. So before starting there further going, firstly I tell you about some market review. Here you can see that there is all of the altcoins, guys, where you can also check out about all of the these are the all of the currencies: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, BNB. You have to go, you have to click, and here you can check out their market cap, their current review scenario, and you can take your own review here. So let's go, guys. Here I am talking about BitSafer that's make trustworthy globally deals without any KYC, that is powered by BitSafer Escrow. And guys, this make your payments online agreements very secure and very easily. So you have to don't need to be worried about it. Is totally safe. Also, it's very simple to use and they work very fast, and this is the service that help all of the users that execute their online agreements between their parties. It make very easier and it's very simple, and it can allow you to manage everything in one place. So guys, here I will tell you about and now we go further about here you have to just go, and this you have to take create and contract both your it's almost take a few minutes, and you can use any of the template, any of the word, anywhere. It's totally documentations and evidence is available. Trusted contract management, guys. And here you can also see that all of our transactions are secure through BitSafer. So you have to just don't need to be worried, and most important that there is no KYC is required. You have to just take some few steps. You have to create your draft exchange, approve your store contract online, then you can go take your agreements anytime, anywhere in the world without being any constraint by your time or location. Where are you from and what's your time zone in your area? And you can also, this is a secure OTC platform that is designed for freelancers, marketers, business needing to transact and globally without the hassle of KYC. And this system ensures very mutual trust even between first time partners also, and no KYC. It supports, guys, USDT, USDC, and BNB moreover. And guys, moreover, here you can see that you have to just drafting your contract here. You have to select your contract, and here you can see you have to just wait for your approval, and then in finalize you have to submit. You have to support attach your documents, all in documents like such as your photos, recipients, and your contracts. After the fulfillment of your agreement, you need to check, and here you can see that this is the BitSafer Global, and here you have to just go and check out all of their categories, photos, videos, productivity, entertainment actions, and here you can see that this is the quick actions, instant access and connect. You can safely our your security, your safety is our first priority. This is the digital contract platform that individual enables business to create their sign agreements easily and securely, will take place online. And here you can also check out our rating reviews about our app, and you can download this on your iPad, iPhone. It's on to you. And guys, you have to simply go on Google Chrome, and then you have to write BitSafer here, and you can install in your Windows, in your Android phones, and then you have to just create your account here. You can also check out all of the reviews about our platform, and here you have to just check. And guys, I'm again saying that you have to take your own risk. I'm not your financial advisor. This video is only for educational purpose. You have to take your own risk. And guys, you have to also invite your friends and family. Stay connected for further updates. See you next video. Thanks for watching.